How to set up tax codes in AAAPOS RetailManager. Welcome to this tutorial on setting up tax codes in RetailManager. This video will guide you through creating, editing, and deleting tax codes for your business. RetailManager is designed to work with the Goods and Services Tax (GST) system, but you can also add custom tax codes such as VAT. Understanding default tax codes. RetailManager already comes with several tax codes that cover common scenarios under the GST system. These include GST, for items that attract goods and services tax, free, for GST-free items, and others. Let's quickly go through these codes. GST, for items that attract GST, like most products sold. FRE, for GST-free items, like some food, medical supplies, etc. GNR, for businesses that aren't registered for GST. INP, for input tax supplies, like finance charges or residential rents. NT, for items not subject to GST, like salaries or security deposits. Creating a new tax code. Now, let's create a new tax code. This is helpful if you need a custom code for your business, such as for export sales. Go to the admin menu and choose Set Tax Codes. The Tax Codes list window appears. Press F5 or click New Tax Code to bring up the tax code information window. Enter your desired tax code, up to 3 alphanumeric characters. Provide a description for your tax code. Select the tax type, which could be Goods and Services Tax, Input Tax, or Sales Tax. Enter the tax rate. For exporting to business management software, input the relevant account number for tax on sales. After entering all the required information, click Commit or press F10 to save the new tax code. Setting up default tax codes. RetailManager allows you to set default tax codes for sales, purchases, and freight. This helps streamline your workflow by automatically applying the correct tax codes to items. In the Tax Codes list window, select the fields for sales, purchases, and freight. Set the default tax codes according to your business needs, like setting GST for most items, or FRE for a fruit shop. Click Close to save your settings. Editing tax codes. If you need to make changes to a tax code, RetailManager allows you to edit the description, type, rate, export code, and account details. Select the tax code you want to edit from the tax codes list. In the tax code information window, make the necessary changes. Click Commit or press F10 to save your changes. Note: remember, you cannot change the tax type of a code that has been used in transactions or assigned to items. Deleting tax codes. If you've created a tax code by mistake, you can delete it. However, you cannot delete a tax code that's been assigned to an item or used in transactions. In the tax codes list, click the tax code you want to delete. Click the Delete button to remove the tax code from the list. Export Sales Tax Code. For businesses that sell goods overseas, you might need a separate tax code to manage export sales. This tax code should have a GST rate of 0%. Use a code like EXP for export sales, which will not attract GST. Summary. You've now learned how to create, edit, and delete tax codes in RetailManager. Setting up tax codes correctly is essential for ensuring accurate reporting and compliance with the tax system. Be sure to consult with your tax consultant or local taxation office if you're unsure about which tax code to use for specific items. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!